A week after the Congress party and its allies lost to Mahayuti in Maharashtra elections, the Congress Working Committee is all set to hold the meeting in the national capital today. But the agenda of the meeting is the latest poll results and the loss of the Congress party in Maharashtra, as far as also the state of Haryana is concerned, is what we are learning. Have a look.
सबसे महत्वपूर्ण तो ये है कि नए फ्रेश ब्लड को पार्टी में लाने की आवश्यकता है. इट इज़ हाई टाइम दैट कांग्रेस पार्टी ऑल ओवर द स्टेट पढ़े लिखे नौजवान युवा साथियों को, क्योंकि तालमेल होना चाहिए दोनों का, बुजुर्गों का भी और युवा साथियों का भी. इसके लिए एक कमेटी का गठन किया गया है और वो सबसे विचार विमर्श कर रहे हैं, बात कर रहे हैं, ताकि प्रदेश को आने वाले समय में संगठन पूरी मजबूती के साथ आगे बढ़े. आगामी चुनाव भी होंगे विधानसभा के.
And ahead of this crucial meeting, one of the Congress's own has questioned the Grand Old Party on its poor poll performance. Lokesh Sharma has penned an open letter to the Congress president as well as Rahul Gandhi, pointing out that the party must now focus on holding people accountable for failing to deliver the victories, and said that it is very important for the Congress party to pay heed to various voices on the ground and reduce the psychophancy in the party as well. And this is a point that has not only been raised by this particular leader, but also by various leaders during the last few years. So let me take you through this letter that has been written by this insider of the Congress party. He said that the Congress has become comfortable in defeat. All this after the drubbing in fact, Haryana and then Maharashtra. He has said, why does Congress lack strong strategy for polls? There are no strategies, there are no proper campaigning ahead of the elections. He has said, in fact, why is there no one that is held accountable for the loss? A very crucial point raised by this leader. Local leaders not working for party, they're busy with their own agenda, is a big claim that is coming from this insider as far as his complaint to the Congress party is concerned. That local parties are not working for the party, they're busy with their own agenda, and why is nobody held accountable for the defeat of the Congress party in various states? Now, Congress must introspect. They must accept the shortcomings and flaws. They must think about it, hold a person, a leader responsible for the defeat of the Congress party in various elections, is in fact what this insider has said in this open letter that is written to the Congress chief and also to Rahul Gandhi. Those raising issues are silenced, abused within the party. A very big claim that the people who raise the issue, as he has also done, are abused in the party. Must act against those who are colluding against the party. Action must be taken. Radical changes must to ensure that party further grows. Organizational reform is necessary instead of psychophancy. In fact, this is a big point that he has mentioned. Hope a tough decision is taken, honest review is held. All of this ahead of this crucial CWC meeting that is going to, in fact, take place in the national capital today. And this is what this leader has written in this letter that he has shot to the Congress chief and also to to Rahul Gandhi. Now, remember, this comes amid ongoing rumbling within the Congress party and the India bloc, where the Congress allies are now questioning it on its overconfidence in polls and demanding a larger piece of the pie. Have a look.
कोई बात नहीं, पता ये बीजेपी जिस रास्ते पे चल रही है, इस रास्ते पे कभी कांग्रेस चलती थी. कांग्रेस खत्म हो गई, अब बीजेपी खत्म हो जाएगी.
कांग्रेस आज एक ऐसा अलायंस पार्टनर है जो अपने सहयोगियों को पुल डाउन करता है.
कांग्रेस के लोग तो लोकसभा जीतने के बाद तो पूरे कोट और पैंट कौन सा डिपार्टमेंट लेने का इस पे चर्चा कर रहे थे. जीतने पे चर्चा नहीं हो रही थी उनकी. जम्मू कश्मीर, हरियाणा और महाराष्ट्र के इलेक्शन में कांग्रेस के लोग और कॉन्फिडेंस में थे, शिवसेना को गिनने को तैयार नहीं थे.
But you see, this poll loss is not only the headache facing the top brass of the Congress party. Ahead of the meeting, now signs of rift have also emerged in the Karnataka unit of the party, with Minister G. Parmeshwara saying that some leaders in the state are now demanding that D.K. Shivkumar be relieved from his post as the KPCC chief and be made the chief minister of the state. Now, let us take you through the details, and what is the statement that has come from DK Shiv Kumar's team is that there should be a speculation on KPCC chief's post as far as DK Shiv Kumar is concerned, and there will be, in fact, no discussion on the alternatives. What they want is then, in fact, the Shiv Kumar fully energized by the recent results, and that is why he should be awarded. Will lead the party with a greater vigor and determination is what his team has stated in a statement. There's an attempt to create confusion that should completely be ignored is what they have said. The team of DK Shiv Kumar has said in a statement that has been issued by them. Now, DK Shiv Kumar, on the other hand, has denied the rumors as baseless, saying that no such issue is on the agenda for the CWC meeting and that he's fully energized by the recent by-poll result and will lead the party with greater vigor and determination even in the future as well. Have a look at the reaction.
ಕಮಿಟಿ ಸಭೆ ಇದೆ. ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಕಮಿಟಿಗೆ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳನ್ನು ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರದೇಶ್ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಸಮಿತಿ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರುಗಳನ್ನು ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ನಾನು ಕೂಡ ಅನೇಕ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಅವರೇನಾದರೂ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ನವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಂಪುಟದ ರಿಷಫಲ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಪುನರ್ರಚನೆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಪ್ರದೇಶ್ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಸಮಿತಿ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಬದಲಾಯಿಸಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದೊಂದು ಕೂಗು ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾತಾಡೋದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇವೆರಡು ವಿಚಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು ಮತ್ತು ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
Well, crossing over to my colleague Sabyasachi, who joins us live on the broadcast. Sabyasachi, ahead of this crucial CWC meeting, in fact, what we're witnessing is rumblings in the Congress party with this. In fact, the insider, the Congress leader, saying that, in fact, there's psychophancy and also that those who are responsible for the defeat, though no action is taken against them. Take us through this letter and what the reaction that has come from the Congress party on this specific letter.
See, the Congress party would be looking highly at the CWC meeting there, where they would be emphasizing the laws that the Congress party suffered in the state of Haryana and in the state of Maharashtra. Now, several surveys which had been done by the Congress party had told a different story, where the Congress was going to successfully win in the state of Haryana and going to give a tough fight in the state of Maharashtra, and that did not happen, and it was a drubbling that the Congress party got by the hands of BJP in both the states. And that is the reason why in the CWC meeting today, top leadership of the Congress party would be present, and they have asked all the state representatives to be present over there. Meanwhile, the Karnataka Chief Minister, Mr. Siddaramaiah, also would be present in the CWC meeting, where the Congress party would be hoping that how to situation and make sure that in the coming days the party does not get morally down, and what can be salvaged out of this defeat. So this would be one of the key agenda as far as the Congress party is concerned, and the letter which has been written by an insider clearly points out what's going wrong inside the Congress party, whether
Right.
it is the communication between the top leaders.
Right, so all eyes will be on this CWC meeting that will take place in the national capital today, where in fact, the latest election results in Maharashtra will be discussed. Thank you so